Hello everyone, today we're going to compare Novo and Found, two business banking platform. So Noto is a digital banking platform designed for small businesses, freelancers, and entrepreneurs, offering pre-banking with no hidden fees, integration with business tools, and easy management finances. While Found is an all-in-one banking solution built for self-employed individuals, offering banking, bookkeeping, and tax tools to help simplify financial management for freelancers and independent contractors. So in this comparison, we'll dive deep into their features, pricing, performance, customer support, pros and cons, and at the end of the video, I help you choose which one is the best for you. So make sure you watch till the end because I have created a presentation that will help you easily make an informed decision to choose the correct option. And if you want to sign up for Novo and Found, you can use my affiliate links in the description below where I will earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And you might get also rewards and discounts upon signing up. So without any further ado, let's get started. So now right here in the features comparison, so let's talk about core offering. So Novo, they are business banking with a focus on simplicity and integration. And Found is a financial management and accounting services tailored for freelancers and small businesses. When we talk about business accounts, so Novo have business checking accounts with a modern mobile experience, while Found have business checking accounts with integrated accounting tools. For expense tracking, Novo have basic expense tracking integrates with accounting software, while Found have advanced expense tracking with built-in receipt scanning and categorization. For invoicing, Novo have basic invoicing capabilities through integration, while Found have integrated invoicing and payment collection features. For the tax tools, Novo have no dedicated tax tools, while Found have dedicated tax tools and quarterly tax estimates. For the integrations, Novo integrates with popular accounting tools like QuickBooks and Xero, while Found have built-in accounting tools and it integrates also with tax software. For the mobile app, so Novo have user-friendly mobile app for banking and account management, while Found have comprehensive mobile app with accounting, invoicing, and tax tools. For the desktop platform, Novo have no desktop platform, mobile app only, while Found have desktop platform available with full features. For the target audience, Novo have small businesses and startups seeking a modern banking experience, while Found have freelancers and small businesses needing integrated accounting and tax tools. So that's it for the simple features comparison. Now let's go directly to pricing. So pricing is a little bit straightforward. So Novo and Found are almost free platform if you say it, because for account fees they don't require monthly fees, they don't require transaction fees, they have free invoicing fees, tax tool fees, not applicable. And for Found, yeah, sometimes included with the account, but in the next page they don't have any withdrawal fees. All of the uh, features in Novo and Found is free. You don't have to pay anything. So that's it for the summary of the pricing. Both platforms are free. So that's it. So now let's go directly to performance. So when we talk about the account setup, Novo is a quick and easy online account setup. Same thing with Found. They have quick online setup with integrated accounting tools. For the platform stability, Novo is stable with a focus on banking features. Same thing with Found. They are stable with a focus on accounting and tax tools. For the data analytics, Novo have basic financial insights and integration, while Found have comprehensive financial insights including tax projections and expense tracking. For the order types, both Novo and Found, they don't have any order types, so not applicable for the comparison. So that's it for the simple performance comparison. Now let's go directly to customer and support. For the support channels, Novo have email support and in-app chat support. Same thing with Found. For the response times, both platforms is quick to response, but Found they have additional support channels which help for the overall response quality. For the availability, Novo have 24/7 customer support, while Found the support is available only during business hours and by phone. So you can contact them always on email and in-app. For knowledge base, so Novo have comprehensive fact and help centers, while Found have extensive knowledge base with detailed articles and guides. So that's it for the Novo and Found customer support. So now we're done with the customer support, features, pricing, and performance. Now let's go directly to pros and cons. And let's talk about first Novo pros and cons. For the pros, Novo have no monthly fees and no transaction fees, making it a cost-effective choice. Also, they are simple and they have a modern mobile app focused on easy account management. They have integration with popular accounting tools, adding flexibility for business management. And lastly, they have easy account setup with quick online process. For the cons, Novo have limited advanced features for expense tracking and tax management. They have no dedicated desktop platform, which might be a limitation for some users. And lastly, they have a basic invoicing capabilities through third-party integration rather than built-in features. So yes, that's it. So now we're done with the Novo pros and cons. Now let's go directly to Found pros and cons. For the pros, Found have comprehensive accounting tools integrated with the business checking account. They have advanced expense tracking with receipt scanning and categorization. They have integrated invoicing and tax tools, making it a one-stop solution for freelancers and small businesses. And lastly, they are available on both mobile and desktop platforms, providing flexibility. For the cons, Found focuses on freelancers and small businesses, which might not suit larger businesses or those needing more advanced banking features. And they have limited integration with external accounting tools compared to standalone accounting platforms. And lastly, they are more complex. They have more complex features, and it might be overwhelming for those seeking a simpler banking experience. So that's it for the Found pros and cons. So now we're done with the pros and cons. Now let's go directly to which platform is the best for you. And let's start by discussing who should choose Novo. So Novo is referable for someone who needs a modern, no-fee business account checking account with basic banking features, someone who values simple, user-friendly mobile app for managing finances, someone who use or plan to use a popular accounting software like QuickBooks or Xero, and lastly, someone who doesn't require extensive tax tools or advanced expense tracking. If you have all of these qualities right here, Novo is the choice for you. And for the people who should choose Found, Found is referable for someone who needs integrated accounting, invoicing, and tax management tools within their business account. For freelancers or small businesses that require detailed expense tracking and tax estimation. For someone who wants access to both mobile and desktop platforms for managing their finances. And lastly, for someone who seeks a comprehensive solution combining banking and accounting in one place. So if you have all of these qualities, Found is the choice for you. And that's it. So in conclusion, Novo offers streamlined, no-fee business checking account ideal for those who want straightforward banking experience without the need for extensive accounting tools. Found, on the other hand, provides a comprehensive solution for freelancers and small businesses with integrated accounting, invoicing, and tax management features. So your choice depends on whether you prioritize a simple banking experience or a full suite of financial management tools. So if you found this comparison helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into business banking solution. And with that being said, the comparison is over, and I hope this comparison helps you choose the correct option. Also, that's it for today's video. See you in the next one.